Hi, class. Welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. Choosing the right method for your vegetables may help you preserve more nutrients, which only benefits your health. How do you choose the right cooking method for vegetables? This comes down to the vegetables that you want to cook, as certain vegetables have more nutrients available after specific preparations. In this episode, we detail the most nutritious ways to prepare your vegetables. Keep it raw. Raw preparations are very popular for vegetables, especially ones like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. Eating vegetables raw is the best way to preserve their nutrients. Steaming. If you want to preserve the maximum amount of nutrients in your vegetables, steaming is the best cooking method. Steaming is the best way to preserve the most vitamin C in vegetables. When you steam your vegetables, the nutrients are retained to a larger degree because the food doesn't contain water or other cooking liquids. As a note, steaming is not the same thing as boiling. Sautéing. When you sauté vegetables in a pan, it is best to do so gently over a lower heat. When you cook over a lower flame, you decrease the likelihood of losing some of the water-soluble vitamins in your veggies. The best oil for sautéing vegetables is extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. These oils may increase the bioavailability of certain nutrients, especially fat-soluble vitamins. Roasting. Roasting is a dry heat cooking method that doesn't require water or oil. If you want your vegetables to retain B vitamins and vitamin C, roasting is your best cooking option. Because you don't need liquid for roasting, there is no significant water-induced loss. Roasting and baking are common cooking methods for zucchini, carrots, sweet potatoes, onions, bell peppers, squash, and parsnips. Microwaving. This may seem like an odd preparation method, but dietitians say that microwaving is a nutritious way to cook food. Microwaving doesn't destroy as many nutrients as other cooking methods because it is a fast way to cook food. Prepare your vegetables using these methods to preserve their nutrients. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.